Today, we're diving into the world of RAM upgrades with Ateca's 64GB, 4x16GB, DDR4 kit designed specifically for the Alienware Aurora R7 desktop. With a capacity that's sure to supercharge your system, this kit boasts 4 16GB modules, delivering a whopping 64GB of memory to take your computing experience to new heights. Clocking in at 2666 MHz, this DDR4 RAM offers blazing fast speeds, perfect for demanding tasks and gaming sessions alike. Plus, with a low voltage of just 1.2 V, you'll enjoy improved energy efficiency without compromising on performance. Compatible with Intel 8th Gen Core i5, i5K, i7, i7K processors, this kit is tailor-made for seamless integration with your Alienware Aurora R7, ensuring optimal compatibility and performance. Ateca's commitment to quality shines through with rigorous quality assurance testing, guaranteeing reliability and high performance that you can trust. And with a lifetime warranty and top-notch US-based tech support, you can rest easy knowing that your investment is protected every step of the way. Whether you're a power user looking to multitask with ease, a content creator handling resource-intensive projects, or a hardcore gamer pushing the limits of your system, Ateca's 64GB DDR4 RAM for the Alienware Aurora R7 is the ultimate memory upgrade. Say goodbye to slowdowns and hello to smooth, responsive computing with this powerhouse kit from Ateca. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.